Hi, good morning, everybody. Welcome to another round of coffee and questions. What's today's topic? We got a sale on wet dry vacs. I mean, good ones by Craftsman. I'm going to change the picture. I'll show you the ad and we'll do a comparison real quick, talk about some of the specs. But if you need a vacuum for your shop, garage, or just general use, you might want to consider this. It's at a great price. Here we go. Okay, so here we go with Ace Hardware's ad. You can see $89.99, but rewards card member, you get $20 off on this, so that drop it down to $70 by the time you're done. Nice 16-gallon, 6.5 horsepower, very powerful shop vac. So now let's take a look at Amazon's ad for this. Okay, so this is just a quick look at Amazon's ad. I did look around. They're all up there in price. So if you're in the market for something like this, Ace is still the best price. Let's move forward. I'm going to show you some other slides real quick before we conclude. Okay, I'm just showing you a close-up view of down here where the attachment's set into it and where that drain plug is. Okay, close-up on and off switch and of the handle and how you can wrap the cord around it. And this is just another close-up of the drain plug, shows you how it screws and unscrews. Now this is one picture showing you of it like face on and all of the attachments and all of the gear that you get with this. So it comes complete and it's got the extensions. Let me show you another picture of the other side of this. Okay, so this is just a picture of the back side of this and it's just showing you with all of the extensions on there and how they're all placed in and around the unit so that you keep everything together. All right, just a quick picture of the inside of somebody's shop, and you can see this can come in very useful for cleaning up sawdust, debris, and like I said, it can also be used as a blower, but I'll go over that with you in a minute. Let me finish showing you a couple more pictures. Okay, here's a quick picture, 16 gallons, 6.5 peak horsepower. Now that's pretty good horsepower for a shop vac. Also, all of your tubes and extensions are 2.5 inch diameter. All right, this one's just showing you what all is included in your purchase. Okay, up above on the far right, I'm showing you the reviews, and if you look at 3% and up, it's got 95% ratings. I'm going to leave you the link below to go to Amazon, read about it in more detail, look at the product specifications and what people have to say. Then you can always go over to Ace Hardware and buy it for the deal that they've got going on right now. Okay, replacement bags here. The link is below, taking you to Amazon to take a look at them if Ace Hardware doesn't have them. But if you need something for fine dust powder, you want this. Okay, so here's a link below for the Craftsman filter. Now this is for fine dust, like drywall dust, things like that. Now somebody said, well, it's kind of expensive, but you can clean these. If you have a blowgun at home, you can blow them out really well. I've had the same filter for years now, and it's still holding up fine. Okay, off of the forum, questions and answers. Let me explain. You have a 2.5 inch diameter hose and you're able to bend it at 180 degrees without damaging. What is included in this 2.5 inch diameter by 7 foot long hose? You get 2 extension wands. You get a utility nozzle, a car nozzle, a wet nozzle. You get the quick lock filter and you get the dust collection bag. How much does it weigh? 26 pounds. Well, what about replacement parts or if I need customer service? I'll leave the phone number above right now. Where is it made? It's engineered in America, made in Mexico with globally sourced parts. What's the warranty? 1 year. Okay, well, what if it's drywall dust? Okay, well, I already told you you need the fine filter, and I'll leave you the product link above, and it's in the description if you take a look. I'll leave you the Amazon link also. Okay, not a lot about this. This is a great deal if you are in the market for a nice wet dry vac for your shop or any other general home use. So I hope you click subscribe. I hope you keep following me. I'm the Home Handyman's Helper, and we'll see you folks on the next video. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Bye-bye.